Thank you, I saw you, and good morning. I saw you again. Can you touch the black box on my chair? Can you make it flash and light up? If you are here, please. I know you're here because I can feel your energy.
Tap.
Are you tapping right now? Yes, I can hear you. Wow, that's amazing. Can you touch my black box on the chair near my back door? Am I talking to a male?
Up.
Up. Are you up? Are you hiding somewhere up? Or are you a lady? A female?
Up.
Up again. Do I have to look up? I'm looking up. Thank you for communicating with me.